Gas or wood fireplace? Which is best? A fireplace at home is one of the easiest and most convenient ways to add instant aesthetic appeal, warmth, and coziness to any space. Here are a few things to consider when choosing between a gas or wood fireplace. Advantages of gas. Gas fireplaces can be used during power outages and offer easy, convenient, and mess-free enjoyment. Gas is also the cleanest burning of all the fireplace fuels and the perfect way to promote zone heating, reducing fuel costs by lowering central heating thermostats. Advantages of wood. Wood is an all-natural, renewable resource and, of course, is entirely independent of electricity. The crackling sound and aroma of burning wood is impossible to replicate. Selecting the best fireplace option. It's hard to deny the satisfaction that comes from lounging in front of dancing flames from a fireplace at home. Which is the right choice, the convenience of gas or the natural charm of wood? Talk to your local fireplace dealer who will be able to guide you in more detail through the selection process. So go ahead, start creating more family fun time. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, a fireplace is a lovely addition to your home and a great way to spend quality time with friends and family. To learn more about the benefits of owning a fireplace and why it's a smart, practical investment that's sure to bring out the smiles in everyone, just give us a call or visit our website at www.homeleisure.com.